Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today is Saturday, and it's still early if you're watching this first time it comes up. And so anyway, I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. And today what I have for you is from mail from Marion of Life Unboxed and Romancing the States. And also, along with that, what I want to do is I want to reveal the winner from Monday's Mass Monday Ladies giveaway, which is actually some makeup and some skincare. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that by inserting a video as I usually do, okay? So if you're interested in those things, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I feel a little bit discombobulated tonight. It's Friday night, it's kind of late, and it is really dark out there. And all day, I worked until about 3 o'clock because I work from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then I repotted 2 of my orchids because the roots were kind of screaming at me saying, I need to be repotted, I need to be repotted. So I repotted both of my orchids, and I repotted another plant, my little rubber plant, into a bigger pot. So yeah, but I love doing that because it's so relaxing. I just focus and I get all my little tools out, get my snippers out, cut all the dead roots and, replant them. So it's kind of fun. So anyway, so to make this video so long, let's just get started and we will go ahead with my motivations app and we will go and see what we find today. Okay. Okay. It says, okay, let me show you what it says because I got to hold it out a lot further than that. My eyesight, I swear, is getting worse. Okay, it says, your worst battle is between what you know and what you feel. Okay, your worst battle is between what you know and what you feel. And that is so true, guys. I mean, it happens to me all the time. Well, it used to happen to me more often than it does nowadays because I am a little bit wiser. But I know I've made some really bad decisions based on how I felt instead of knowing, And there's a difference. They say you should go with your heart. There's a difference between go with your gut and go with your heart. It's going with the gut is what you need to do. And that is your instinct speaking. That is your instinct telling your brain, no, not a good idea. And your heart says, yeah, but don't you want to help this person? You want to do this, you want to do that. So you end up, listening to your heart, especially if you're somebody like me. I'm terrible. People, take so much advantage of me at times. And it's because I have a hard time when they give me a really sad story, right? And so, but nowadays I'm a little bit wiser because, once bitten is a million times bitten, a million times, I guess, shy, right? Once bitten, twice shy, something like that. But yeah, that's more. Anyway, so, just be careful, guys, because you should always listen to your instinct. Your gut instinct is always going to be right, or at least 99.9% of the time. It's that first instinct, that survival instinct that says, hold on, hold your feelings, hold your thoughts. And this is what I'm sensing here. And it's going to send that message up to your brain. And your brain's going to say, yeah, that makes sense. That makes total sense. And your heart's going to try to discourage you from that. So be really, really careful. And it's like you heard of the people say she wears her heart on a sleeve or on a string or something like that. It's on a shoestring. And so you just want to be really careful when it comes to that stuff. So it's really kind of hard for me to explain this one because I'm so terrible at it. And, your worst battle is between what you know and what you feel. And that's, gosh, so true. So be careful, guys. Be a nice person, definitely. Be a positive person, most definitely. But don't let people take advantage of you, okay? Yeah, that's that. So anyway, I'm really excited. Marion sent me this. And I don't know what it is, but it's kind of, it's boxy kind of feeling. So anyway, she is traveling right now. She recently left her son's house, and now they're traveling away, and I'm not sure what adventure she's up to, but you know, her and her husband have that YouTube channel called Romancing the States, and they have an RV and they travel, and I love to see them travel, especially this time of year because it's kind of cold, and so they're moving from place to place to place. And last year, unexpectedly, they ended up in a couple of places they thought would be warm, but it was actually cold. So yeah, and then she also does the unboxings, so she also has a channel on her own too, and it's called Life Unbox. I'm looking for my little cutter. So okay, alrighty, I got it here. And anyway, so check her out. I will link her below. She's such a sweet lady, and she has such a cool story. And so yeah, I mean, I see it from her. I'm not a good storyteller, so okay. Oh, there's a couple of things in here. There's a card. Let me put on my glasses because I want to get this right. And the card says, look, I gotta be careful not to expose out of here. Oh, this is a very, very pretty glittery card. Oh my, this is very nice. Look at this. I love the color. It's by Expressions from Hallmark. Oh my, it says, Dear Alexis and Silent Partner. That's my husband who does the food one with me. Wishing you time to stop and really savor all of the good things about this season, and hoping that health and peace and love are yours in the coming year. Very fondly yours, Marian and Nate. And Nate is her husband. And she underlined health, peace, and love. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my gosh, this touches me so much, Marian. Thank you so, so very much. And this, I mean, look at this card. It's just gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, wow. So nice. I love this. Thank you. And let me see. I think there's something else in here, right? And look what she did. She put little owls on there. I like owls too. Aw. And let's see. There is a bubble clay mask. You know what? I've never done a bubble clay mask before. I don't even really know what it is. It says bubble clay mask with Carolyn clay, peptides, and ceramides to revitalize, hydrate, and help with anti-aging. Oh, I need that. And it's by Biomiracle Skin Therapy. So you know what, Marian? I've never tried this. I think I want to do this on a Monday because I've heard about it and I have everybody talk about it, but I never got one. So yeah, this is the first one I have. So yeah, Okay, and there is something here wrapped up. Aw. And she did such a good job. I just throw things in a box. So, alrighty, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's personalized. Marian, thank you so much. Alexis, yeah, I play like a girl. Try and keep up. Look at this. It's a tote bag. Oh my gosh, it's one of those zippy up ones, and I love these. Marian, how did you know? Because you know what? I always have one of these in my purse, actually, in case I decide I'm going to go shopping and I don't plan it. And then, like, I need something bigger than my purse, and I have a tote bag. But I don't want to open this all the way yet because I'm afraid that I won't be able to, you know, put it back the way it goes. But you see, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take a chance. Okay, I'll be able to put it back, I hope. So it folds out like this, and you see... And it folds into, look at this. This is so genius. And this becomes the bottom. Oh my gosh, Marian, this is so sweet. Thank you so much. And believe me, this will go directly into my bag. Especially I'm going to Hawaii in January. This will definitely come in handy because I don't want to, you know, carry a bunch of bags. But then I get to a point where it's like, oh my God, I should have brought a bag. And I said, oh, I do have one. And so look at this. And it has my name on there. Oh my gosh, that is so very sweet. Thank you so much, Marian. Yep. Very useful, and so beautiful. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys are having a good trip right now. I don't know how the weather is where you are at this moment, but yeah, I hope everything is going well and you guys have a very good season. And I'm wishing you the best and the safest and have peace and all of that stuff. So thank you so much, Marian. Okay, so, and also, guys, I will go ahead and drop her link and Nate's link below so that way you can check them out and their little adventures, okay? Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and go on commercial break so I can announce the winner of last week's Mass Monday Ladies giveaway. So here we go. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, it's that time again. We are here to pick the winner for the Mask Monday Ladies Mask Giveaway. Actually, this is not a mask giveaway. It's actually makeup and skincare giveaway. It's a small one, but I bet it is masks, skincare, and makeup. So anyway, here we go. I did go ahead and copy the URL from that video here. And then I did mark here to filter duplicate users, so that way everybody gets one chance. And we are filtering this based on the word peel. Remember, that was the word. So let's see how many people actually participated. Okay, it looks like 35. Not bad. Okay, let's just go on, hop on over here. And then we're going to go ahead and pick a winner now. Carolyn, congratulations. And her comment says, congratulations to the winner. I'm afraid of peels for my face. That's just too much at risk. I might let a professional do it, but I don't think I'll ever do one on my own. I'm sorry about your package. Porch pirates are the worst. But thank you so much, Carolyn. And I think I responded to you and said, yeah, if you've never done it, let a professional do it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do the next step, which is to verify that you are subscribed to me publicly. And let's go. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom, and I think I just saw myself, but we're just gonna go through the motions anyway. Okay, so it was Command F, and there it is, Haute Modesty. Do you see it up here? Let's see, I'm gonna go up a little bit. There it is. Okay, Haute Modesty right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit return, and as you see right here, and she is subscribed to me. Okay, wonderful, Carolyn. I hope I'm saying your name right, but I will go ahead and give you directions when we get back to the regular video. Again, congratulations. Okay, welcome back and congratulations, Carolyn. Well done. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's spelled very nicely, but it looks like Carolyn. So if not, do feel free to correct me, okay? And so what you have to do now is you have 48 hours to reach out to me via email. My email address is at the very bottom of the description box and all of my videos, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, and it's Haute, H-A-U-T-E .modesty, M-O-D-E-S-T-Y, and you can private message me, and you can do that, or you can easily email me, whatever, but do that in 48 hours, and let me know where you would like to have your goodies mailed to you, okay? Alrighty, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys are having a really good holiday season, and it's coming right up on there, right? I mean, a couple of more weeks and Christmas would be here, and then a week after that is New Year's, and then it's a new year, 2022. Where did the year go, guys? Where did the year go? I don't know, but I swear, it's like sometimes I say 2020, and you guys know that a couple of videos, they say, oh, and I can't wait till we get to 2020. And then I don't even catch myself until I'm editing. I'm like, 2020? Geez, I'm really stuck. So anyway, yeah. So it just happened that quick, right? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys liked what you saw today. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you see the button up there? There's one below that looks just like that. If you would hit that button below and ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But what does matter though is remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I was so discombobulated. Oh, I was so busy today. I was working at the same time, and I'm repotting my orchids because my orchids were screaming. Hold on one second. Okay, I thought I'd share this with you. You see, I repotted it. You see, I put a new, I took everything out, and I cut all the dead roots, and this is my cakey one. Another one grew up here, which is like my cat, my crazy one, broke this at one point, and this thing started growing out of it. I'm like, okay, what is that? And so now I have these that bloom like every year, and it's beautiful when they do bloom. And so 2 of them, the other one's over there still, and I did go ahead and repot that, and I repotted another big plant, and I'm getting ready to repot my other one. One is blooming. Okay, so this one is still blooming, so I cannot repot her. But as soon as she stops blooming, I will go ahead and repot her as well. And I'll probably move her into a little bit bigger pot so that way she can breathe a little bit easier. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys do have a great rest of the week. And I'm almost at 900. So I will go ahead and put a kind of like a surprise thing, maybe a second winner on 900 or something like that. I haven't thought of it yet, but anyway, you guys, have a good day. Bye.